Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install community theme on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so you can see the current the default theme, the file folder, the icon you can see, and if I click on that you can see the icons of various folders over here. And let me close that, and you can also see these show applications, this icon, and if I right click on that you can see the black background we have. And also if I click on that, click on this power off button, you can see the background we have. So let me cancel that. Okay, so in order to install the community theme, you need to go to this Ubuntu software and click on this search button over here and type community theme. Okay, so if I type the community over here, you can see the community theme over here. Click on that, and here we have the preview of this community theme. Okay, so just click on the install button, provide your password, click on the authenticate button. You can see guys, it's installing and it's now installed. Okay, so let me close that window. Okay, so guys, after that you need to go to your system menu, click on that and click on this power off button, and you need to restart your Ubuntu 18.04. okay, so let me do that. So I am clicking on this restart button. You can see guys, it's restarting. We are now on the login screen, so just click your username, and here you can see the gear icon. Click on that, and here we have this Ubuntu with community theme. Click on that and provide your password, and click on the sign in button. Okay guys, so we are now logged in with community theme enabled. So if I right click on the desktop, you can see the white background, and previously we had the black background. Okay, and also guys, if I go to this system menu and click on that over here, and if I click on this power off button, you can see the white background we have. Okay, so let me cancel that, and also you can see the show applications, this icon is now changed. And if I click on this files, you can see the various folders with different icons. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily enable community theme on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.